Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF files on your Mac. It's a straightforward process using the Preview application, which comes pre-installed on every Mac. This method allows you to add your signature to any PDF document digitally, eliminating the need to print, sign by hand, and then scan. It's a quick and efficient way to handle your documents, saving you both time and paper. First, open your PDF document in Preview. Look for the markup toolbar icon, which resembles a pen tip in a circle. Click it, then select the signature icon. You'll see options to create a new signature. You can use your Mac's trackpad to draw your signature directly, or choose the camera option to capture a handwritten signature from a piece of white paper. Once you are satisfied, click Done to save it. With your signature created and saved, it's time to add it to your document. Click the signature icon in the markup toolbar again, and your saved signature will appear in a list. Select the one you wish to use, and it will instantly appear on your PDF. You can then easily click and drag the signature to its desired location. To adjust its size, simply drag any of the four corners of the signature box. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, remember to save your document. Go to File in the menu bar and select Save to permanently embed the signature into the PDF. Your document is now officially signed and ready to be shared. You can email it, upload it, or send it through any other platform. Your created signature will also be saved in Preview for all your future signing needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.